Namaste everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing well. Now, as you guys would have guessed from the title of the video itself, this video is going to be about my last Shein haul. Now, all of this stuff that I have right here, I had purchased about 2 or 2.5 months ago, but I did not get all of this stuff delivered because, of course, we were in the middle of a lockdown. And soon after that, the government imposed the ban on 59 Chinese apps, and Shein was also a part of it. So the deliveries, of course, got delayed even further. So I received all of these products, I think about 2 or 3 days ago, and I thought it would be a great idea to share with you guys what all I got from Shein. So of course this is going to be a try-on haul, and let me start with the first product. So the first product that we have is this beautiful rib knit high neck t-shirt. I think that's what it's called. So this is what the product looks like. It's basically a high neck. The material is really soft, and I was always the kind of person who was in the illusion that turtlenecks and high necks can only be worn in winters. But when I found this, I was so excited to give this a go. I love wearing turtlenecks. I think they look super smart, and I honestly can't wait to wear this. I think this would look really beautiful if I pair it with some really nice and beautiful necklaces on top. So yeah, this was my first purchase. Next up, I have these beautiful black flared pants. Now I had been eyeing flared pants for a very long time because I literally just had one pair of black skinny jeans when it came to black bottoms. Now I had been looking to invest in a pair of really nice black flared pants. I think these are such a great thing to have in your wardrobe. They accentuate your curves so much and make you look so much slimmer and taller because these are high-waisted and they give you a really nice illusion of height. The only drawback that these pants have though is that they are about a foot or maybe a foot and a half longer than my original height, so I will have to get them chopped from the bottom. But overall, this was a really nice purchase. Next up, we have this fanny pack, bum bag, waist bag, whatever you guys prefer to call it. This I think is a really nice buy. I'm so glad I got it because it's so convenient, and it has the belt right inside the bag itself. So you can obviously wear this belt as a regular belt also. And the best part is, and because this also has this, what do you call it? I don't know, a loop, a slit. I'm not quite sure. So you can basically pass any belt through it and keep changing between your belts if you want to wear a white belt with it, if you maybe want to wear a different black belt with it. This is a really great purchase. I'm so happy I went for it, and I think it's going to be super convenient whenever I'm traveling or when I'm going out and I don't want to have the hassle of carrying a bag or a purse with me. This is going to come in really handy. Next up, I have these beautiful brooches here. Now these brooches I actually got during the flash sale thingy that Shein used to have every day, and these cost me about 19 rupees, which was a steal. So because these were really inexpensive, I thought I could give these a go, and I was so happy. They looked so beautiful and flattering when I wore these on one of my shirts. The next product that I have are these fishnet stockings. Now I had been eyeing fishnet stockings for a very long time. I think these look really great when paired up with ripped jeans or even like a regular pair of shorts. These make your entire outfit stand out so much. These are such great pieces to have in your wardrobe. Absolutely love this. The next product that I have is this faux leather skirt. So this is what the skirt looks like. I am so happy with the amazing quality that this product has. I think if I pair this up with the fishnet stockings, it would make for such a beautiful and gorgeous outfit. Oh my god, I can't wait to wear these two together. Next up, I have this ultra gorgeous neck piece that I had seen so many fashion bloggers wearing because shells apparently are really in right now. So I actually also wanted to invest in a gold shell necklace. This looks beautiful, and I think it would look gorgeous when paired up with the red turtleneck that I just showed you guys. This is amazing. I'm so happy with this purchase. The last product is my favorite of all of the things that I bought. Here it is. Yes, I bought shoes from Shein, and this was my first experience of actually buying footwear from Shein. And wait till you guys see it. You're gonna love it. And drum rolls. Here they are. Oh my god, I had been eyeing good quality thigh-high boots for the longest time ever. These are so gorgeous, and these are exactly how I wanted my thigh-high boots to be like. So I do own a pair of faux leather brown boots, but they only come up to my knees, which is why I wanted something which was different than the ones that I already own, which were velvet instead of course faux leather, and which at least came up to my thighs. I am also not a fan of pencil heels. I feel they are really uncomfortable, which is why I also wanted something in block heels, and these had really nice and chunky heels. So like you guys will be able to see, these have a tie-up sort of situation going around at the back. So of course you have to pull them up and then tie these around your thigh. So of course you have to tie them really tight so that they don't keep riding down, which is why they might end up blocking your blood circulation a little, but I think I can't really complain about that, because overall these are such a gorgeous buy, and it's exactly the kind of product that I have been eyeing for so long. And that was it for this video, guys. I hope you all had fun watching it. If you guys have any more video suggestions or video requests for me, please feel free to drop them in the comment section down below. And before you go, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. It motivates me so much to make new videos. Also, don't forget to connect with me on social media. I would love to talk to each one of you. And yeah, I guess that would be it. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye. And I had been wanting like really good quality fair